In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Taxi Life Simulator. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to purchase Taxi Life Simulator and play it on PC officially. The game is also available on Xbox and you can find it on the Xbox store, but for this video, I'm gonna be focusing on the PC edition of Taxi Life Simulator. All that you have to do to purchase and download Taxi Life is to go over to Steam. So either open the Steam launcher through the Steam app on your PC or go over to store.steampowered.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to look for Taxi Life. Now, you will find the first result being Taxi Life, a city driving simulator. Immediately upon clicking on this page, you will be able to see videos for the game or simulator, images, and of course, you will be able to acquire the game. The price will be displayed in your local currency, and you can acquire the game standalone, which includes only the base game, which is enough for you to play, or the supporter edition, which has some exclusive skins and goodies. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you will also be able to find the system requirements. So if you are unsure if your PC can run the game properly, just compare the system requirements here. If you meet the minimum requirements, then you will be good to go to run the game. And if you meet the recommended requirements, you will have a better experience with more FPS. You will be able to see all of the things included in the game on this Steam page. As you can see, they list a lot of stuff, and you will be able to see events and announcements, including the updates over here under this tab. But all that you have to do to actually play Taxi Life Simulator is to purchase the game through Steam. Afterwards, download the Steam app and you will be able to install it on your computer. So all that you have to do is proceed to checkout and browse through the currency to your own local currency with the payment methods available in your region. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Taxi Life Simulator. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.